Me mama kwaba at the back exposed G so tete mado bodwem na moja widi efusane a Christopher nyum to no what I say yet see asedan kenyame asembe na ekoso we di trendy issues are ye patchos aha exposed trends in sema ekoso in sema ACC ana in sema eya aya efata me no o say den etie e wo say etie what I say asembe na ekoso abrantie bi otia monone e a little advice needing the nimu de you understand utumu say a TikTok video but video no near but advice be na okay na ma hwe na mehu say no asem we wo say me unua metia me din de lemo olekem kwa me amega ubetuma frɛ me efo Kent na ma je so anyanyi efo a agbeni a otitwi na no awo pepen emi unya kra obefa ne saa because me agbeni na so asem a pese me che on say abranti asem okay ni din de ohia basem na waka no ene ne huhia pa asem no entwiwo bi asem no enkum nipa asem no ense nipa nanso we boaye nuanu a wa monone ana boaye no mpo adachi bi ye be kwa kontuom ene na woto na ye wa adwen se untu kwan ene na woto na ye wa adwen se o Ghana na bo bra dachi bi bia ubetu kwan ubekọ baby what I say and this is a piece of advice to ye nuanu a monone what I say na sana meba sansem so asembe ne yenuane kan wama advice bi ediama yenuanu ma omutia monone se ansa na omudi omukunu awo Ghana anomo yere beba abrochire no ye wonwoma bi a woso omoye ene nwoma bi an woso omoye na menua na meka cho se dumeku eso yase eye neat roofing se enfro bi amane ye den emane mbeso wase what you say from no mo ba be jo so on be ye de hunhia on be ye de fata de amaw ejuma no be ni neat ye fe de wo pebia on be ya amaw wada so se chinsi bo etumi bo e po chinsi bo se de bebi na plengo ni ade bom na bebi liki carpenter no wanye ejuma ni ye the roofer no wanye ejuma ni ye amaw fre neat roofing edina fata wo mudin wada se se ne se fata ye fata nkroma no edini fata no no ye ejuma ne se ne din se kwa wada se ai na me catch you say like it comment it share asem we futu di mawa sua fa ebe boa ye ni na so wada se ai na menua me come asem no so no menua no am say ne afika kra and by per source no he might be the age of 30 to 35 years and I was say was steady and I went home for a pair of time say emrenkwa emreka kre bi nie no ohun say omo mutia monone no bebre na yes some kind of mistakes so ensan say enye se bia my say makobo mi tiri mu po na me de asem bi bra oniti me pese me ready the menua e kai what I say a young Ghanaian man probably between the age of 30 and 35 years old has offered advice to Ghanaians who want to bring their spouses abroad. Speaking in the video, the young man said that a lot of people in Ghana make mistakes when they are bringing their wives and husbands abroad. A few lessons he has learned over the years from his own experience are what he wants to share so that people do not make the same mistakes. Just so when you experience into one person and conform some mistakes, you know what I say? Because me sesebe my primo akoya prowanyin say me ntwema me nua keto anko san so hwenim e wo se me yeden me tumi nwane so experience on one or the tia monone no o ka che because empebri me no ye wo ho a ye tumi te ai ena me di me fa wo ko ga abrochire ena we jai me because mostly 80% of marriages say wa abrochire a free Ghana kwa abrochire and still staying to the extent say last week or 2 weeks ago ye ti be mabia wo kum ni yere a oni ne jai they are going through divorce wo kum ni ya or abrochire mra no what I say any mra no share that ye tra the way of marriage wo Africa and in going to man ko do ona no person mu di twetwa mmema no what I say ti pebe my experience no yes ti asema osakan o say the first piece of advice to make sure that you tell your wife or husband about the level or standard of living. That's let your partner know whether you have document or not. Change your location to a rural TO. I say change your location to a rural area where few black people are living there. According to him, living in the same area before the arrival of your partner is very a bad idea. It is your person training and say, first, advice no be man say, answer na obe from country maybe free Ghana. So ye bema o so ye ba e dia ba bro chire. Na oni ne betina no. Ote Ghana no e mani hu say abroche ye heaven. And abroche ye heaven na say nkofo ka no. Sa heaven people works for it. They work for that heaven. People nkofo ti o meni fifire. Iti na abeye etwa bi e do say and na Italy for the omo apostle pa na UK for so the omo sika. They work for whatever they have. By how the who yet mo benya dia ope. So or say let the person you have been talking to in Ghana here na baby or onipo wa no who say there is a standard of living bi wa brocha say ni say na ye den etie na sempo oni paper mani who say oni paper who document mani who say who document waseme wo akoma so no ka kire nipa no me nua wo ba ha no oni me betena say oni say document ya ma mehu metimi ne watena pepepe document na mema document ye betena sa adofo na mama document so oni say nya document ya ma mehu say nya document na ye tena yie enye by force metuma boa mo aba. Let the people know, let the person you are bringing to the abrocha mo no say ye Germany o, UK o, Italy o, US o, Canada o, let them know. Let them know how the life is say oh here the so mo mu oh higher de o unia we ni ye odwuma obenya uye ni say ya obenya. So that say this was a piece of advice and now person my den yehu and also was say triumph fi be before atwa ho hia. No ka black people cry. Brofo ne beka black people, but baby Ghana for ewo enye brofo black. Because brofo black you need time about advice o get. And a woman na okunu say onja okunu. Ye baby a woni say aha na wote no. Asimesi kodwo mansa me ne ti asantemem aha no hye. Kevin Price amene ne ti Accra ni papa ne bie shop o Kumasi drug Accra drug store lane aha no hye sa area na ansa na o partner ne beba live there. Make sure that life now we live what Bochini you're okay. You will go and be able to live among white people. Live baby out because you have lived a past life. And more very true. And with what this man is saying, very, very sensitive. Me grandpa dia me opinion, me nim opinion. But me only say because I had to say before I am paying. Iti baby before twa we hia no afena woman aba no obi ba benya tamachense uni say okunu cry on a girl bi tia o broni bi date you on kan show o say opel the person James be ma yo betna no 3 years no on Ghana mo da won o be say James o pa we asimesi men sa Veronica betna ai no fa be oh no ni broni bi cry twempna ho wona wo de wa adwen be ma no ho ejuma we o ye nya papa ebi mponipa na obefa no Ghana ebia owo degree bi o Ghana sa na obekọ because there is a story bia man bi ti aboche na oye taxi driver for the say Ghana ha na ebu omu kwasea no aboche so de ese bu omu kwasea o aboche bo na oye taxi driver na obenye scan e ho no yese bu omu kwasea na man no be fa girl no na oye nurse won say aboche do ba nim se ni kun na be man ne ye adwuma wa abroche no be for oba no koye na won say sense oba na ko school kakra no ko abroche no oye adwuma 1 or 2 ano attach education ki tuwe bi e de kan because o degree no o kwa no de kakra kan obe won say ase onu nye skase ni kunu no ko taxi no obe won say yes obe won the standard living say o ye taxi driver abroche yembu e won nye hwe ba han ye Ghana for ye tie ni bus obi ye taxi driver because can mode o system a ba won obe won say oni ni kunu standard abeye pe inti ehon sister yi estati opon aduma ai na o stati aduma oye anya so betuma pon say be come my bro o say me was shift o say me yese o say me sakwa no ba na kire be ma ne say o no ye aduma sem be ma no bema na adwuma no kra de ani afo adwuma because medication no akwa ni nurse no okoye no na odi kwa bochi no attach nyoma no onya adwuma bi a we nim se bema no nti afede na oma bema no attitude nti wo hwemu a se bema no so ekohwemu no hu se ne obeya because enye den kwa woman yi na temfu be friend o kosi mensa de taxi de na taxi yembu omo taxi driver de ye kra yesu yembu taxi driver so awo ska be na taxi nti one money pani hu the standard of living na wo approach ona hwe hu free na kotena white we go broni bi ani wo be wonya time abefra onyonku bibini aka chense na okunu eti say because before so the word mind your business is very important to them. They really mind their business. Find a new place. Go and sit at a place people don't know you. What down for 4 crowd you monama obo bransa na oni pa ne beba broche no hwe free o. So advice yi na enua man. Na dem biom no saka or say when your partner arrives abroad, don't tell him or her that you took a loan or borrowed money to finance it or a plane ticket. So you have to get a job for him or her to do. Wait a while. Let her feel that she has come abroad. Do not immediately discuss issues about the project you are doing with her. Allow her to feel at home first. Yemian so wa bruchire no. Enkosi bebre na kosi mema no so. Na enkosi kakra enkosi wo ma no so. Eya na oti abruchire na. Oba ni bedu a. De ntese Ghana o. Ntese Ghana na mo sole na mo dano na mo ndi mo time so no me nya ha de ntese o sole me de sole un person ko pay juma na ye. You see all these things we must say now money people say hey I have to work hard, I have to do this. Be man see happy Ghana kra na oni oba ne tia na be man ne tia obehwem obemani didi mo be feel at home. So why the stress? O say nipa ni ba abuja manen feel say abuja nti sa manen feel say ofie o abani kunu nche omo bo bra te sese no mo Ghana be bia difference say ahanu sika ne be koso sen Ghana fa de we na wo se mo ni shimutrim ana ahanu uni time na wo ba be dwen politician bi ho amwakoma beteto ana e be mo wa be di life say koye Ghana card bi ahanu is a life to live lively. It was say obani ba anabema ni ba sa outing na mo be kwa hone ne nko outing spoil the person manu say approach say ice cream joint kakra de na kwa ice cream joint kakra na mo ye public love be other say no man feel at home no oye duane na o koba no say yes but tempembri na nkofo iko ha na di adwuma hia o me kwaji lo na me kwaji ahanyoma nye free plane ticket o beba kra ko bisa Johnny oti mechire a me $1,000 bi kra free ni ho e wo se me ye wa na me di tua tinipa na ba no wo di ahye ne tinim se wo se wo ye adwuma at all cost into wo ye adwuma na otumi tua sa aka na ofle se emwa na obo an wo tua sa aka na wi. So now he or she has to be on their own. That is another problem. To or say only pani ba butra. Let the person feel at home. Let the person feel like your girl nya time man intine fi dini this me can excuse me ni sa time na waka just 7 we nya 7 o ni do fan won pemu na be man tuma ni ye tuma boni ye o yo ba bia yasenim open and yes cameraman wa cameraman ne bada open the legs won say ma stretch hands no man boom style bi approach crowd a free world man nya duro betumi pie na odini be pie wo ye adwuma fa ni pie let the person that will feel Ghana kwa approach ni feel say hi okay and son after some months okay o minya o say o page money na starting nipa no oti woni na he or she starts feeling the good time you people shared, the lovely moment you people shared. Obi no be influences and pay approaching your battlefield. How on your battlefield there are copies can go sad yen or says our perception it just so. And or say finally okay big crack can say to the extent say tontalie man and ukra na maka buy her clothes tontalie fane koko tontalie man ko ye nyoma papa man manene nje what I say manene nje ye nyoma ye fe na say who wie so a lastly asem okan finally listen I say you need to cut all of your friends and make your partner and children your friends. If you can do this, things you will be able to live with your life and your partner abroad without any problem. The young man said that these are the decisions he took when he started accounting problems in his marriage abroad. Just so one person we no problem on our room abroad. So no what you say? So go for ni plan of Ghana na baby a otibia ba abroad na. Moba mobewo aware na mutim cut all friends away ma wo woman nye obi bia se ne mu pie mu jimoni hwe ore ade kra jiwani ma don tumi no because ma make bincho enya asem kra na yebeka I yet to say wakofa onipa efri ekurase Aba City ya yeti akra kra ye experience we bi se nipa ni ba akra one treat ni ye na two one man na lively to the things e koso a wanye kofo be jao obeka so ne ni ebie esi wo ye nkra yeti ana ye kofa mba afri ekurase ye de ba e de ba because wa ba obehu mema mo ye WhatsApp obehu iPhones obehu nyoma e koso inti sebe ohun so ye pokra enkofo oban free Ghana emba abroche enkofo be man free abroche Ghana enko abroche sa so na oti akra enkofo oba emfree abroche nye den emfree grass emetena akra a wonim so obehu nyoma bia be live ni be won so we are prepared for her unya duma papa bia ko friend bra na hihye nyoma man ye den send ye tie den emano it was it cut off friends because obetuma kofo oba be free grass so aba akofo ba na odi ni church na danfo bi so no obosho pa koye nam na e de ye nye peda wadanfo bi ebo adanfo ba abema bi oni ni nama ono no obosho pa we yiri be mo beka say boy ya di o ota chase kasimi kunu obi so betima ye obetuma betu namfofo ma e ma no obe mo say chale me kra me gay kra de me ba kra kra tana ne ho nye fe na danfo ba we film yo me hwe metum say na free film abodwe gay kra was kasimi gay. So it all happens. So a same one approach and baby, I will be out themselves still Wi-Fi and I will come or sell. Cut all friends when we have this. Cut all the friends, the friendship. Cut all of them, and let these people you have bring to abroad, to be your friends and family, and you have a happy life. Minya, asema mekano say, ye be first and same way up to your own for. Mama tia mono ni aburuchire ebe boa mo na yempo ya yeti ano ansa na obekofo baby a oni bi we taxi driver taxi for na munye ska mo de hwe university student no na mema no so mo ti akra na mu hu baby a akra mfa so obekofo nkurase fo mma no munye careful ohun so ya nkofa bi mma we ni na so nya advice to all of us me ametimi dream within the limo elegant kwame ameka me me like a share na comment what I say aha Xposed trends and let the futu same yesu na mesume de me kofa brew enye de bia no obi aye say obi bi to de bia o say yetenas ni ti aye mfa no be lesson e de mayo me ni asem e o de a comment share no nwe bi so nye de enhwe bi bia wo bia na o pese o sponsor program ya Xposed trend ya ya ade bia wo bia o pese o sponsor wo bia o pese o de ni advertisement beto e program asia aten e de na wo twen so Xposed GSF Fabra ye be bo was we dwuma wo don komi ama what I say the dwuma ko so ya say ye need trophy what I say that's ne adofo ye be say hia within the limo like ko ami amega me forget bye bye.
Oniadofo de na wo haw de na wadwendwen de na wo kodan na edan na wasie wie na wo penchensen papa de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na ene wo mo endi eye kasubo nsa wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo womo atum natural things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda